Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how to block in NBA Live Mobile. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm gonna show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now in NBA Live Mobile on my phone. So right here we have Live Pass, Live Today, PvP, Limited Time Event, Showdown, and Campaigns. In the bottom, you're gonna find my team, auctions, achievement, objectives, and sets. Before you start a match, go to my team and then from here you're gonna find all of your active players. You can also switch players. You can activate a boost, change your jerseys, and then once you're good to go back and then choose any game mode that you want. For example, I'm gonna click on live today and then I'm gonna choose any match. For example, this one. Right here in the left, we have the rewards that we're gonna get. And we can play also a click on play. So once you click on play, you're gonna be right here. So from here you can see your opponent's team and also you can check your team. And if you are ready, you can click on play. So right now we are in the loading screen. And once the game has loaded, it will look like this. So I'm gonna pass the ball to my teammate. For example, I'm gonna let the opponent team take the ball. I'm gonna try to shoot it like this. And now my opponents have the ball. Basically, guys, in order to block in NBA Live Mobile, just go next to the player and stand next to him. You can either hold if you want to guard, or you can tap if you want to steal. So this is it, guys, for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.